Hello! Today we're exploring a fascinating comparison between two types of Heartbiz rings, those made from Japan gold and those crafted from Saudi gold. Both types are 18-karat yellow gold, yet they present unique characteristics that appeal to different tastes. Let's break down what makes each of these options stand out. But wait, let me first show you the new gold jewelry pieces I purchased using the money from selling one of my old jewelry sets that I no longer wear because of its outdated design. The first piece I got is this 18-karat yellow gold with white gold trimmings. It's a butterfly. It's in size 8. Sometimes I'm size 8, sometimes 7.5. It depends on the manufacturer. But this one is size 8. It's really cute. Remember that I bought also a pair of earrings. So now I have a pair of butterfly. I love butterfly earrings. This is just lightweight. It weighs 2.78 grams. And I got this online. So let me know in the comment section if you want to know where I got this. But for the meantime, I don't want to mention any store or shops because, you know, it's really hard nowadays. And sometimes when you buy online, most of the time, actually, the gold price per gram is a bit higher than when you visit the store to purchase. The next item is a pair of earrings. And this one is lightweight because I mentioned before I don't want to wear heavyweight anymore on my ears because of my piercing issues, especially on the lower part. My holes became bigger. This one is again 4.21, so it's just right for me. They are stud earrings, as you can see. I'm also going to insert some photo or video clips of this item so you have an idea on how they look up close and including the price of each piece. Next is another pair of earrings. This one is also 18-karat yellow gold. Very big, huge teardrops in dia cut. I choose the dia cut over the regular ones because dia cuts are very shiny and I really love this. I've been wanting to buy one of these earrings but I couldn't find the right size for me. So again, these are large and the weight is 5.36 grams only. They're not that heavy. I have here a necklace. It's just a chain and it's called Tauco chain. It's the same as my bracelet right here, but this one is only in 7.5 grams. I really love Tauco chain because it's very durable and I got this for layering, but you can wear this without a pendant, with or without a pendant. This one is in 16 inches, like a choker. I highly recommend this chain because, like I mentioned, it's very durable, perfect for everyday wear. The last piece I got is this gold bracelet. It's in yellow gold. The size is 7.5 inches. Probably this is my most favorite among the 5 pieces I purchased. This is heavy in 13 grams. Love this. It's also perfect for stocking. So those are the newest in my collection. They're just, you know, perfect for everyday wear. Now, going back to our original topic, comparing Heartbiz rings from Japan and Saudi. First up, let's discuss Japan gold. This gold is well respected for its high purity and exceptional craftsmanship. One of the key features of Japan gold is its softer texture. This softness allows skilled artisans to create intricate and detailed designs. Jewelers in Japan are known for their precise attention to detail, resulting in pieces that boast a refined and elegant finish. Wearers of Japan gold rings often appreciate the luxurious feel they offer, which makes these pieces a favored choice among those who value high-end jewelry. In contrast, Saudi gold is known for its vibrant color and impressive durability. A significant attribute of Saudi gold rings is that they often contain a higher carat content, resulting in a rich and striking appearance. The designs of these rings tend to be bolder, making them suitable for everyday wear while maintaining a stylish look. This durability appeals to individuals looking for jewelry that combines aesthetics with long-lasting quality. An interesting point to note is how sizes can vary between these rings. For instance, my Saudi gold Heartbiz ring is size 8, while my Japan gold Heartbiz is size 9.5. Despite these apparent differences, when we measure their diameters, they actually end up being the same. It's all about how sizes are referenced. In Japan, the gold is commonly labeled as K18, whereas in Saudi Arabia, it's referred to as 18K. When it comes to weight, we observe notable difference. Heartbiz rings made from Japan gold tend to be heavier and broader. For example, my Japan Heartbiz ring weighs around 5.43 grams, which is fairly typical. On the other hand, Saudi gold rings are available in various weights, covering a wide range of options. Thinner Saudi rings can be beautifully stuck together, while the more substantial Japanese rings often appreciate when worn alone, showcasing, of course, their intricate designs more prominently. So now, let's take a closer look at pricing. Generally speaking, rings made from Japan gold tend to be priced higher, which is due to their meticulous craftsmanship and high purity. Conversely, Saudi gold rings provide excellent quality at a more accessible price point. For instance, my Japan gold Heartbiz ring costs 4,950 pesos per gram, while the Saudi gold ring was priced at 4,650 pesos per gram. This indicates that Japanese gold jewelry are typically more expensive in the market. It's worth noting that both rings were purchased within the same month, March of this year, and given the recent surge in gold prices overall, this pricing comparison remains quite relevant. I've learned that Japan gold price per gram as of today is 5,200 to 5,400 already. For Saudi gold, since Heartbiz belongs to special design, I have no idea how much it costs per gram today. When considering which type of Heartbiz ring to choose, it's essential to reflect on what aspects matter most to you. Do you value the unique artistry and high purity of Japan gold, or are you more attracted to the vibrant color and practical durability of Saudi gold, especially at a more budget-friendly price? Ultimately, your choice should align with your personal style and preferences. Are you drawn to the luxe feeling and ornate designs offered by Japan gold? Or do you prefer the bold aesthetic and everyday practicality that Saudi gold provides? Both options present their distinct appeal, catering to diverse tastes. In summary, whether you opt for Japan or Saudi gold, each type brings its unique attributes to the table. Japan gold shines in its craftsmanship and elegance, making it an excellent choice for those seeking sophistication. Meanwhile, Saudi gold attracts those who prioritize resilience and striking visuals in their jewelry. I'm sure many will ask which is worth the investment, Japan gold or Saudi gold. The market price of Japan gold is more expensive than Saudi gold, like I mentioned, but at the end of the day, both are 18 karat and similar in design. You won't actually notice the difference if you're not knowledgeable about these two, except for the color. One is a bit lighter in color than the other. The heart designs here in Japan gold are bigger, maybe because the ring is wider in itself. But here's the thing, when it comes to investment for profit, If you pawn both or sell to gold buyers, their appraisal value is the same. The difference lies in the weight and condition of the jewelry. It doesn't matter what the design is, whether special or regular. Therefore, it's a no-brainer to go with Saudi gold. Unless you opt to sell your Japan gold Heartbiz to a friend or acquaintance or to a collector in the future, where you could gain good profit because gold does increase in value over time anyway. The important thing here is, if you are going to invest in gold jewelry, choose the thicker, heavier, and more durable pieces to make it worth your while. So, there you have it, guys. Each type of Heartbiz ring has beautiful features that cater to different preferences. Understanding what each offers will help you make a more informed decision about which one to add to your jewelry collection. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for upcoming videos about luxury, fashion, and lifestyle. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this discussion plays a helpful role in guiding your future jewelry purchase. Bye!